Mining, we provide training, we support for the project development, we take for the project development. So please use our services. Like we have a dedicated website and we have a YouTube channel. So on the website, whatever the publications we have made or whatever the training we are providing. So everything we are publishing there. So we are listing there. And in the training itself, if you see the training table of content or the training content, so it's a little bit different than what generally you will get at other places. Means all the complete training material is unique and it is not taken from anywhere, so that can be verified. And the examples, so we have tried that for each topic and subtopic, so we have examples that is written. So example and it's whatever the output, so everything we are placing. So it is unique thing we are doing in the context of training. And in addition to the training content, what we have placed at our website. Now we have whatever we can do, we are developing utilities also. So that is also available on the website. And whatever, as I suggested, whatever the research we have made, so that we are placing. So in the area of training, like we are taking a number of trainings. It spans from machine learning to C++, Python, OpenGL, Linux device driver, Linux internals, Qt, QML. Okay, so it's a big list. And all trainings are hands-on. So we show the hands-on while taking the training. So that can be seen. So if we talk about the hands-on, then we have YouTube channel. So in the YouTube channel, meaning, so where there we there are so many, more than 100 videos are there. So there we show the topic-wise demonstration, and we write code and we show the example. So all from the software installation to writing the code and executing, so everything in front. So we have a website, we have YouTube, we have a GIT hub, GIT hub /meaning, or youtube.com/@meaning, or meaning.42web.in. So please you can sponsor our YouTube video, and that will be the way you can get attached to us, get linked to us, and anyway you can take the product development or training services through us. Primarily the way the technology is growing in the area of machine learning. So we are trying that we focus more on that area. Okay, so if you are looking for a training, or if you are looking for utility development or a product development, primarily based on Python. Okay, so or you are looking for a sponsorship, you can sponsor training material, or you can sponsor technical videos. So then possibly you can contact us.